Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Lora with Stitchin with Lora. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. So as you can see, we are starting this 14 count that I got from DIYChoose of these birds and flowers in a stained glass setting, if you will. So I have started in the top, hang on here, top left-hand corner. This looks like a white flower, but this is kind of a beige color, if you will. It is 778. So yeah, so we're starting right over in here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, yesterday was something else. Number one, I'm not used to working on the weekends, and number two, it was busy. Yeah, it just went through the day, and yeah, I was glad to escape at about 10:30 last night. I was just done in. Totally. So, yeah, I'm glad to just be stitching today. Not doing too much of anything other than doing videos, of course. Well, I just missed the whole thing, didn't I? That's just attractive. Hold that thought. There we go. Yeah, I missed the entire hole. Threw everything off. I'm using one of my 28 or size 28, I almost said 28 count, my size 28 Peacemaker needles, because the needles that came with this kit were just a little bit big for me. So they need to up their game just a bit and get needles that go with the appropriate kits, because they were the same size as the ones I get in the 11 count kits. So yeah. So how's everybody doing? I hope you're having a better weekend than I am having. I just didn't get hardly any time yesterday to even breathe, let alone think. So I'm surprised I got 2 videos out yesterday. My goodness. Just something else. But I thought we'd start on this side. It seemed to have a lot more going for it, shall I say, than the other side. So we'll see how well that all works out, right? Oh goodness. Yeah, I was so tired last night I just couldn't even stitch. So the only stitching I got done yesterday was European Town. So some days it's like that around here. And others I just stitch all day long, you know? Are y'all like that? Do you just stitch just a little bit some days, and then others just a whole lot? Ouch. Okay, hang on. Gotta get my thimble. May have to get one of my other ones out. So, I don't know. Just tired. I laid down before I went to work for about 2 hours, which really helped me get through the evening, because I knew I would be just fried when I got home. It was a hot one yesterday. It was almost 90 degrees yesterday while I was at work. rid of that and put that puppy right over there. That didn't last very long, did it? I'm using 2 strands, just like I would on any other 14 count, you know, cross stitch kit. But I wanted to see how, you know, good this kit was and how well it would go. I really am enjoying the thin fabric. It's very lightweight. It's like you don't have anything in your hands at all, which is a good thing. Yeah. So I guess my daughter and her family, little family, are all on a little camping trip. They've been gone, what was that, since Thursday. Now I don't know if they'll come home today or not. I may have to go over there and check on the cat, make sure she's got food and water, because they took the dogs with them. But that's a fun time. But the cat, she just needs some dry food. Every once in a while my daughter will give her some wet food. But that's about it. She doesn't get it every day. I don't believe, but I'm not there, so hey. Guess I need to go over here a little bit. Whoop. Oh, goodness. So, I'm still tired from yesterday. So maybe I can get a nap tomorrow. Gosh, probably not. No, I have to work tomorrow. Fun times had by all. At least it's only 6 hours instead of 8. A nap before this day is through. I was still trying to say tomorrow. Hello. What a day. Yeah. But yeah, just people everywhere yesterday. Oh my goodness. I could not believe it. Of course, I'm not used to it being that busy. It's been busy on Mondays, but the long days that I work 2 to 10, it's never this busy at all. Hopefully that's laying down. So, yeah, it was interesting. We were just running in 2 different directions. And it was a Saturday, so I don't know why it was really busy. You'd think that people would have gotten there on Friday and, you know, late. That's almost to be expected. But, geez, Louise. People here, people there. Yeah, busy, busy, busy. But I got out there maybe 5 minutes later than I normally would have on an 8-hour day. So, all in all, that was not bad at all. I'm thrilled. Yeah, let's not do this again in a while. Can't think of anything coming up unless it's a real state of emergency. I hope they had fun at the wedding and that all went off without a hitch, and yay. Fun times. get that out of there. You can barely see that thread. It's so light. You can see it's kind of blending in with that pink there. It looks almost yellow when I'm looking at it through the camera. So hopefully it looks like it's pink. Pinkish. It's more of a taupe color. I don't know how else to explain it. Yeah. And even on the, I won't pull out the thread thing, but it looks taupey instead of pinky. But so far so good here. And I'm glad this is only like a 40 by 50. Because, you know, any more than that, it would just be insanity. So. And all this right here is 310 black. That won't be happening for a hot moment. I want to work on the flowers and all the pretty colors. And I'm sorry I didn't pick a brighter color to work with. Should have picked one of the blues, but I thought this would be more pink. I don't know. Some days I just needed a small project because I've been working on, oh dear, what was it? It's another stained glass one. And, you know, it's got all those beautiful colors in it as well. But it's just a little bit bigger than this. I like these ones I can kind of hold in my hand. Not as small as Peter Rabbit, though. He's kind of, he's small. I have a hard time stitching on that sucker. I just want to finish it. But maybe I can get another color knocked off. I think I'm down to 2 or 3 colors now, so that will help. And then I'll have to do the back stitching, but the back stitching in Peter Rabbit is not that in depth, you know. It's more just kind of outlining things, you know, like the rabbits or the basket or whatever else is in there, you know. So, I mean, it's not in depth like some that I've had. I saw a real pretty kit, and I think it was Stitcherella was working on it, or not working on it yet, I don't think. She got a new Chinese one. It's like, I want to say it's 190 maybe. It's huge, just ginormous. But it is gorgeous, so you know that I may have to get that one soon. Yep. And I can't remember what store it was from. But yeah, I wanted it. First, you know, when I tuned into it, I thought she had gotten it done in a custom and taken a picture from something, you know, she'd seen. But no, I have seen it at other stores. So I may have to go and order that one. What I need is another really, 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 really large one. I think what I liked most about that one, I can't remember if it was 14 or 11. Thinking it's 14, I mean 11. I don't think it's 14. Is that it's not all that wide. Some of these big ones that I have, I mean, I swear they are probably 2.5 feet wide, you know, in depth, you know, the whole picture. I was like, holy cow, those things are hard to hold on to. So I think it was smaller that way, you know. I think it might have been 40. I can't remember, maybe 40 to 50. I don't think it was 50 though. I'd have to go back and watch it again. But yeah, check it out. It's beautiful. It's one that looks, let me see if I can find my, well, I'll just use this as an example. It has this kind of tone to it. I know it's not this picture, but it has that spring company look that I got the others in, but it doesn't have a tan canvas. It has a white canvas. So, yeah. I'm excited. Yeah. So, may have to go and order it. Yep. To go with the rest of them. Did I miss again? See, that's what happens when I thinking and talking. Gosh, hopefully I can get that through that hole without hitting anything. Please, please, please. Yep, I did. See, I didn't even get in the hole. Holy cow, Lora, stitch. But this looks like it would be easy enough to stitch on in 14 count. So we'll see how it goes. And I liked what these stores have been doing when they show these pictures. They have like a picture that, you know, you would normally see of the pattern, like we're used to looking at, and then right behind it, bigger, they have a picture of what it looks like stitched. Well, I thought that was like an ingenious idea. At least, you know, you can get some kind of an idea of what it looks like after it's been stitched. So, I thought that was pretty cool. And I have not only seen it at DIYChoose, but also at other stores. So, look for that. So, I think I'm going to need another thread soon. Ah. Not used to using these teeny tiny needles. It's kind of weird. I use them on my counted, of course, all the time. But I've been using those 11 count needles lately. So it feels weird to have a small. This one's smaller than the ones that come in Joy Sunday section. Or selections. So, very nice. Alright, guys. Well, I think that's going to be about it for today. Let me get that thread. You can almost see it looks pink on this side without all the other colors around it. So, all right. Well, I'll see how far I can get with this one. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.